Good evening, friends. Today I'm going to talk about the reason of climate change. The whole world is talking about the sustainability, but we need to understand why the sustainability is important when we are talking and when we are impacting by the climate change. You perhaps know that there is a significant biodiversity loss has happened in recent past. And the reason of this biodiversity loss is that we are cutting the forest. Every year we are cutting about 88,000 square kilometer forest annually. Due to it, about 50% of biodiversity loss has been recorded. This loss in the form of a population loss of the wildlife. It is in the form of the reduction in the bee population. And you perhaps know that the bee population is very important for our food security. And you also perhaps know that the reason of COVID-19 is the zoonosis, the disease which occur in the animals that has jumped to the human being, and the whole world is suffering. Now, recently, the World Economic Forum also identified the biodiversity among the top 3 risks. So everyone is talking about the biodiversity conservation. If we want to conserve our environment, if we want to conserve the Mother Earth, and if we want to combat with climate change, there are very simple solutions around us. The solution is called ecosystem restoration, and this ecosystem restoration deals with afforestation. This deals with cleaning of the water bodies. So if you are able to do some of the plantation, if you are able to make some forest in urban landscape, and if you are able to improve the degraded forest, all these initiatives, if you are taking in calculation, that it will impact in reducing the temperature. You perhaps observe in the cities where we are having a forest area, where we are having a greenery, the temperature of these areas is less than 2-3 degrees than the areas which are not having the forest. I have spent my good time in Dehradun. I studied in Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. So you perhaps know that the FRI Dehradun is in a reserve forest. So when we used to visit to the city, there was a temperature high. But when we come to FRI, there is a 3-degree temperature less in comparison to the city. There are some significant studies has been done globally. Wherever we are having the forest, wherever we are having good gardens, that help in reducing the temperature. So you can create vertical gardens in your houses. You can do plantation in your colonies. You can create Mewaki plantation plots. So all these things in total will help in reducing the temperature. And that is very significant nature-based solution which will help in combating with the climate change. The second very important aspect which we most of the time did not find connected with us, these are the water bodies. In last 300 years, we have lost almost 85% of the water bodies. And these water bodies are very important for our ecosystem. And these are just like the kidney of the Mother Earth. So if our kidneys and if our lungs are not functioning, we will not survive for a long time. So we are cutting the forest, we are damaging our water bodies. You perhaps seen in many of the cities, these water bodies have been encroached. And it is the reason that when it is the rainfall happen, there are floods because there is not a sufficient amount of space available for the water which is coming through the rains. If you want to conserve the Mother Earth and if you want to combat with the climate change, we need to do these 2 actions. We need to restore our ecosystem, we need to clean and maintain the water body around us. With this message, I want to again give emphasis that if we want to conserve the Mother Earth and if we want to conserve our nature, we need to conserve the biodiversity. Thank you very much.